Buenas!
Buenas from Galicia.
Thanks for tuning back to our channel. We are Sara and Jonni, and together we live in that
Truck camper. Whatever it's called.
Yeah, and usually we just say van because it's all new and exciting to us.
Now we are in the highlands of Galicia. I think we are somewhere around 1 kilometer height, and it's pretty cold.
Yeah, and we are at the crossroads because in coastal it would be so much warmer, but it rains there.
But here it's quite cold, but still beautiful.
We make the most of it.
So whatever is the weather or whatever is the mood, we try to always take best of it.
And again, we are in area recreativa, so picnic places, and during nippy winter day, there's nobody. Yeah, perfect spot to us to be.
And now when it's rainy and cloudy and we need a lot of power to use our air fryer and me doing my studying, we try to always park our truck camper so that that solar panel, which is a little bit tilted forward, will get the evening sun. So every time we try to park, that is going to the west. So when the sun goes down, we can get that last bit of solar before night comes. Our coffee consumption has gone up a lot since I started studying. I'm studying AI and data. The first year is easy because I'm just handling data, so I can use like a lower consumption laptop with that. 8 hours of this is nothing without battery bank. But next year I have to run AI locally, I have to train AI locally, so it will be consuming a lot of data, and I have to buy like a desktop PC for me, really powerful desktop PC. So we have to somehow find a way to get enough electricity to run those computers for like 24 hours, 600 watts consuming. We don't know how.
And still live off-grid.
Yes, still live off-grid. Yeah, I don't know. If we go to camping grounds when I need like running those AI things, or
hell no, maybe we buy a generator.
Yeah, we have been always haters of generators. But maybe when we are placed usually in places where there's nobody else, we are in the middle of nowhere, maybe there's that generator running like 4 hours per day is not that bad. And maybe we buy a huge cord or long cord that we can put the generator in the woods or something. Yeah, I think we have to find some solution. Solar isn't, because it should be running also during the night times, because we don't want to have a computer running and roaring whole night in the camper. Yeah, maybe I chose bad profession for living in a van if you need that much electricity for just studying. But this is fun. I like it. I love it. Data is my thing.
This is our 10th winter in a camper, and we feel so blessed that we can stay winters here in the southern Europe, where winters are not 9 months long like they were in Finland. And I have to say, unfortunately, the weather affects your mood a lot. Even you are in the beautiful surroundings, like we can go bathe in the lake and enjoy these stunning sceneries surrounded by oak trees. And especially we don't have neighbors, which we like a lot. Yeah. When it's a gloomy, a bit drizzly day, it's not fun at all. And I know we are so spoiled. in the top of the weather affecting my mind a lot, it also affects where we are parked. For example, when we are in the towns or cities, maybe street parking, even the weather is great and there's nothing wrong with the town or city, I feel more like we are living in a camper, we are homeless. But we don't feel that way when we are in the nature. So it affects so much where you are parked. So that's why we prefer these places where there's no one else. We feel home. May I introduce you to our new family member? Yeah, we bought a vacuum cleaner. When we did the pickup camper renovation, we did use every day after renovation a real vacuum cleaner, and I think I got addicted. So that's why we bought the small one. We are really bad people using battery powered tools. We are so lazy to put them back in the charging position, so that's why we prefer chores. And our bed section, yes, we do use this as a loungy place and watch movies, but it's impossible to clean without the vacuum cleaner underneath the mattress. So now we can have a clean, fresh bed section with the help of this little guy.
Yeah, as you can see, it's this is life. Little bit mess around every place, every corner of the camper. Well, it's a really small space, so it gets messy really fast. Like, it doesn't matter how clean we are or how often we put things to this place, still there's always a little bit of mess. So everything tries to find their places.
Yeah.
But it's hard.
It is hard, but living in a camper, it's so much easier when you are not that anal.
Yes. And we are using this one.
It's a sign of winter.
Yeah. We always do food with the Omnia oven during the winter months, because this gets really hot around this area. So we don't want to use it at the summertime. Yeah. And also the casseroles that we usually make with the Omnia oven, they are more like winter foods for us. And in summertime we make like salads and those kind of things.
This is a good substitute for oven.
Yeah, for sure. Also we use our air fryer, small one. It's good. We have use it like almost every day. And when it's sunny, it takes like less than 1% of our battery capacity. Nada. So we can use it freely, make like a 20-minute air fryer foods without any problems.
I'm happy that we have a huge battery bank and good inverter, so we can use some household tools. But cooking with the air fryer, it feels like you are cheating.
Yeah, it does, really.
We don't really plan our trips, but I was hoping we would be already in Portugal, because I made a mistake and just checked the Portugal weather forecast, and it rains so much there, like every day, non-stop rain. I don't know if we just stay in Spain, because yeah, occasionally bad weathers and cold and drizzle and rain, but it's not that rainy, and I cannot stand the rain. It makes me miserable. Yeah, I don't know what we do. Past 10 years we have done these YouTube videos, and we have done every video inside of our van or in our pickup camper. We have a huge battery bank and bunch of solar, so it provides a lot of energy. And we do our editing in a gaming laptop that is very power hacking. So compared to working online, doing normal office jobs, like using Office and responding emails, maybe some video data conference calls, they don't take that much power. But when you do like AutoCAD and video editing, it's so power hacking. Yeah. But that's why we have a huge battery bank, and we like to drive sunny Spain or sunny Southern Europe during winter, so we get plenty of electricity. We don't have worry in the world, so we can produce these amazing, fantastic vlogs. Yeah, I will sit here now and edit this episode what you are watching.
We have been living in a vehicle for over 10 years, and we surely know how to make the life cozy in a van. Even in the winter time in Finland, it was really cozy. It was like living in an old house. Back then, our winters lasted 9 months, but now, when we have an option, our winters can last for weeks. Or if we get fed up with the cold weather, we just drive to the coast where it's basically a summer weather. And we make best of it also here, where it's quite cold. We were afraid of using the wood stove when it was fire ban season, because there is these towers where some people are watching if there's fires, and if they see like smoke in an abnormal place, maybe they think the forest is on fire. Oh, yeah, it's so cozy to watch live fire. Best thing ever.